In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to match colors in Canva. Color consistency can transform a design from good to polished, and the fastest way to get there is by sampling an exact color already in your project. I'll walk you through the simple process, explain what to expect on screen, and share a few tips so you get a perfect match every time. Start by opening your project in Canva. Once it's on your screen, click the element you want to recolor so it matches another part of your design. This can be a shape, a line, an icon, or even text. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box or edit handles around it and the editing toolbar appears. Next, open the color options for that element. You'll see the current color swatch in the toolbar. Click it to bring up the color panel. In that panel, choose the plus icon to add a new color. This opens the expanded color picker where you can create or sample a color. Look to the bottom right of that color panel and click the eyedropper tool. The cursor will change to a color picker. Move it over the exact color you want to match within your design. You can glide over images, backgrounds, or other elements, and you'll see a live preview of the color as you hover. When you're right over the shade you want, click once. Instantly, the selected element updates to that exact color, keeping your design aligned and cohesive. If your project has fine details, take a moment to zoom in before sampling so you can land on the precise pixel you want. Subtle differences, like a shadowed area versus a highlight, can change the feel of the match, so aim for the tone that best represents the section you're referencing. If the outcome isn't what you had in mind, simply repeat the sampling until it looks right. Use this same approach for each element you want to align. Click the element, open its color options, hit the plus icon, choose the eyedropper, and click the target color. With a few quick picks, you can unify shapes, text, and icons, or pull a palette straight from a photo to tie the whole layout together. As a final check, look at your overall contrast to make sure text remains readable and important elements still stand out. That's all it takes to match colors in Canva. Select the element, open its color options, use the plus icon, click the eyedropper, and sample the color you want. Clean, quick, and precise.